So 5th year summer exam, question 5, part A. Find the general solution of 2 cos 3 theta equal to -1 and help solve the equation, hence solve the equation in the domain theta greater than or equal to 0, or greater than or equal to 0 degrees and less than or equal to 2 pi. Okay, so 2 parts of the question. The first thing we're going to deal with is the general solution of the equation. Okay, so we take our 2 cos 3 theta and we let it equal to -1. So cos 3 theta is equal to -1/2. And we're going to, so we look up and we see that the cosine is negative in, so if we draw our diagram ASTC, it's negative in the second quadrant and in the third quadrant. So negative in the second and the third quadrant. Okay, so up here we know that 3 theta is equal to, so if we get the cosine inverse of 1/2 from the log tables of the positive 1/2, we get it to be pi over 3. And now we're going to use that in our second quadrant and in our third quadrant. Okay, so in our second quadrant, okay, so this is 180 degrees, or 3 pi all over 3. Okay, so it's 3 pi over 3, and we're looking for the second quadrant. Okay, so it's 3 pi over 3 minus our reference angle, which is pi over 3, which gives us an angle of 2 pi over 3. Okay, and in the third quadrant, this is our 3 pi over 3 again, and our angle is going to be 3 pi over 3 plus pi over 3, which is 4 pi over 3. So the general solution for those okay, so 3 theta is equal to 2 pi over 3 plus 2n pi, and 3 theta is equal to 4 pi over 3 plus 2n pi. And so get a common denominator first of all, so 2 pi plus 6n pi all over 3, and 3 theta is equal to 4 pi plus 6n pi all over 3, and then divide across by your 3, so and find what theta is. So theta is 2 pi plus 6n pi divided by 3 3s are 9. So theta is equal to 4 pi plus 6n pi divided by 3 3s are 9. So your general solution is 2 theta plus 6n pi divided by 9, and theta is equal to 4 pi plus 6n pi divided by 9. Okay, and it's important to put that n is an element of z, so n is an integer at the very end of your general solution. Now part 2 of the question is asking us to solve the equation, and it's in the domain theta greater than or equal to 0 degrees less than or equal to 2 pi. So what we do is we take our 2 general solutions. So n, first of all, we solve for n equal to 0. So theta is equal to 2 pi plus 6 by 0 by pi all over 9. Okay, and that works out to be 2 pi over 9. And we take our other one, which is theta is equal to 4 pi plus 6 by 0 by pi divided by 9 is equal to 4 pi all over 9. Okay, so just checking. So 2 by 180 divided by 9, and that falls within our range of 0 and 2 pi degrees. So we take n equal to 1, so theta is equal to 2 pi plus 6 by 1 by pi all over 9, which is going to leave us with 8 pi over 9, and theta is equal to 4 pi plus 6 by 1 by pi all over 9, which is going to give us 10 pi over 9. And n equal to 2, and checking all the time to make sure that these fall in between our 0 and 2 pi, or 0 and 360 degrees. So theta is equal to 2 pi plus 6 by 2 by pi divided by 9, which is going to give us 14 pi all over 9, and theta is equal to 4 pi plus 6 by 2 pi all over 9, which is 16 pi all over 9. Okay, and they both fall within our range. That's a 16. Okay, and then n equal to 3, theta is equal to 2 pi plus 6 threes by pi divided by 9, which gives us 20 pi over 9, and when checked, this here works out as 400 degrees. So this is outside of the range that we're looking for, so we don't use that value. Okay, so our answers are theta is equal to 2 pi over 9, 4 pi over 9, 8 pi over 9, 10 pi over 9, 14 pi over 9, and 16 pi over 9. So that is 2 cos 3 theta equal to -1 solved to find the values of the angle between 0 degrees and 2 pi.